Playwright and how to execute Playwright and a basic understanding of Playwright. It is the very first lecture on Playwright. So I will explain Playwright with Java. So yeah, so let's start. So this is a class I have created, program one, and inside this class I have written one main method. As you know that like in Java, everything starts with the main method. So this is our main method, and I have written the basic code of Playwright. So if you are aware of like Selenium WebDriver, then in that case we just write this code with WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver, and that's it. Like driver.get, we can easily open the URL, right? So that was the code for Selenium. But in case of Playwright, we have some different code, and because we have different browsers and pages, we have multiple context. Like we can open the browser in different sessions. So that is the advantage. That's why the code looks lengthy at the beginning, but there are many advantages of this code. Okay, so let's start with the first line of code. So playwright is equal to playwright.create. So before that we need to understand about the pom.xml file. So I have created one pack like project playwright framework, and inside this framework we will get pom.xml. So I have simply went to like maven repository, and from there I have added the dependencies for playwright and for testng. So that is the basic requirement to execute the playwright. And also you should have downloaded the Java language, and this is the Eclipse, right? And from marketplace you have to again install testng. Okay, that is the basic requirement that we need to execute this Java this playwright Java class. Okay, now let's understand this playwright is equal to playwright.create. So what is this code? This initializes the playwright engine, the core library that all allows you to interact with the browser. So this is the core library that allows us to interact with the browser. So this is the playwright code. Then browser is equal to playwright.chromium.launch, and inside this launch this circular bracket we have new browser type dot launch options dot set headless files and bracket close semicolon. So this is a second line of code, and here what is this use of this code is to launch a new browser, and we have provided here it will be a Chrome browser, and it will open as a headless. So headless is a false we have written. That means we will be able to see the Chrome options, right? So yeah, and we are using Chrome. That is the main use of this line of code. Then if you go next, we have browser context. Browser context is equal to browser dot new context. And the use of this line of code is it creates a new browser context like a separate browser profile. So every time we create a new context means we can work differently on that particular browser. It will be like a separate session for that particular line of code. So also we have page is equal to browser context dot new pages. So based upon the browser context we have page means this line of pages will work on that respective browser. So these two lines will help us in creating multiple browser and page context different sessions. So this is all about playwright basic setup, and after that we will write code like page.navigate, and we will provide the link or URL of our application. So this will open the our link. Then the methods, WebDriver methods we can say, or the browser methods we will say, to open the URL. To get the title we have page.title method, and to get the URL we have page.url, and we are simply storing that URL into string URL and a string title, and we will be printing using system.out.println page title page URL. Then we have different methods like page.go back, page.go forward, page.reload or refresh we can say, page.close and a browser.close. So these are the basic browser methods we will be using while working with Playwright. So that is about Playwright. So let's execute and see whether we have written code correctly, and it will print the title name and page title and page URL. Let's see. Yeah, it opened Chrome browser. It searched for the link google.com. Yeah, and now it will close it. Yeah, this is all about the basic lecture of Playwright. Page title is Google and page URL is this one google.com. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.